Hey everybody, this is Billy at Baker's Hill Tough. Man, I got something so cool, man. Sometimes I do personal things and I want to share it with you guys because I know it's a home run. And I'm here at Gabe's Custom Marine Upholstery. Is that close?
Yes.
All right, I nailed it, man. And I'm up here in Merced, right? Close
Atwater.
Atwater, right in close to Merced, right? If you're looking for it on the map.
Yes.
And you know, I'm from Bakersfield, so you're like, man, why did you make that 2-hour drive? Well, I didn't just happen to do this accidentally. I knew what I was getting into because I wanted the best. And I knew that I had heard some, you know, stories about Gabe here and how good he was. I've heard that you are the man in California when it comes to marine upholstery. And so, you know what? I can't wait to show people what you've done here. Now, first, before I show them, how long have you been doing marine upholstery?
I got in the business about in '86.
Yeah. Now, this is your son, Gabe, too.
This is my son.
Yep. He had me in the garage pulling staples when I was like 8 years old.
Yeah. And you did some of the work on here too, Gabe, right? Because you did the
lot of the
dash
work.
and stuff. You did the dash, right? And some of the stuff.
Some of the dash. I did a lot of the cushions. Yeah.
But,
Yes.
now, what's cool, if you do have a Malibu boat, you have a lot of the templates for those, right?
Yes.
Do you have other models too, or mostly Malibu?
Mostly Malibus.
Right, because you worked there for so long,
Yes.
right? I mean, you're,
Plus, you know, I've done nothing but Malibu boats, so when I do a boat, I'll just make patterns out of the vinyl,
Right.
out of the old skins.
now, I'll assume that you do anything and everything marine, right?
Yes.
Right, so-
Yes. We've done cabin cruisers, mastercrafts, sangers,
Pontoons.
yeah, pontoons, centurions.
Right. So I want to tell them what I brought you before I show it to them, because this is I mean, I came up here and I'm really hard to please, and when I saw this, I was like, I can't believe what I'm looking at. This thing is real, and I'm not just saying that because you're not paying me anything for this, right?
No.
No, this is a genuine thing, because I know a lot of people that follow Be Tough have boats and marine stuff. I've already gotten people asking about it. This thing basically had a mushroom brown design to it on the inside that didn't match the outside of the boat, and it had rips and tears, right? And we wanted to change the whole thing so it all went together. And we came up, and you have a lot of designs or colors that you can get anything, right? There's
Yes,
nothing you can't
I can get any color that there is out there.
Right. And not only that, but you get the good marine stuff.
Yes,
Tell-
I only deal with 2 vendors, and because I've tried other vendors and stuff, and it's just not good for business, and it's not good. I don't like it, so I don't use it.
Right. So, and that's the thing a lot of people don't tell you. You may get a good job but have cheap vinyl and you don't know it till like you're down the road and everything's starting to
Yes.
crack, right? Okay. So I want to show them this boat. You ready to show it to them? I can't
I'm
wait.
ready.
Let's do it, man. I'm going to show you how beautiful this thing is. Now this went from a brown and gold and gray color. I want you to look at this thing. And you know how you can tell like how nice something is look at the seam along the boat. See how everything snugs up against the glass? Because a lot of times you'll see those bow out or not go with them, right? And look at that, man. Isn't that beautiful? All these concaves, dude, these are kind of tricky, you know what I mean? These wraparounds right here to make them tight and make them right. Man, that's unbelievable. You even did some relocation on the speakers that we wanted to do to make it balance out more,
Yes,
because they were tucked in the seat, right?
yes.
Yeah.
You raise the speaker up.
Right. I got to show them the interior here because it's so cool. And not only that, so when we gave the boat, there was a bunch of spider cracks right here, right? We had a bunch of gel coat stuff, and it's basically because when they built some of these Malibu boats, they didn't go through the time to chamfer the holes, and it, you know, things shaking around, and it had these cracks. Well, they don't look good, and you actually did that too.
Yes, we did that.
Right, and it's
Yeah.
perfect. Like I'm looking at this, there is no yellow, whatever. It is perfection. I even had a flat spot here. Looks like they got that out of it. I can't believe you got that out of it. Now I'm gonna wrap around here, and I want them to see how beautiful this is, because it is just something else, man. Look at this. I mean, this color scheme is just unreal, right? We've got an M grain kind of texture on the
black
dash.
M grain,
Yeah.
a black smooth.
It is, I mean, it's just beautiful from what it was before. Unbelievable. And you know, there was also some cracks underneath these, right?
Yes.
We got all those fixed up. And you can see back here, you can see this M grain pattern, real nice on the marine stuff. Really holds up good. Man, that's good. So good, man. I love it. So it's beautiful. It's just a beautiful piece, man. And we'll kind of wrap around. You can kind of see it from back here. Of course, we got the swim step, all that stuff. Yeah, so good, man. I love it.
This is all Malibu vinyl from
Yeah,
back then.
factory,
'cause
right?
Yes.
Yeah, so good, man. All right, so if someone wants to get a boat, how long does it take, man? That's one of the questions too. People say, how long is this going to take?
I tell them 3 weeks, but if I run into problems, you know, it's usually 4, because I'll take my time and go through the boat,
Right.
you know.
I know that you said that you kind of go through. And can we open this up? Do you mind? Is that open up? Why don't you kind of. Because I think, let's see if I'm right here. Yeah, so you guys actually did all the carpet work underneath here too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. Man, super good. I can't wait to get on the lake. It's going to be slick. And man, it looks like a brand new boat. I mean, I don't know what to say other than that, man. You guys did the detail work. You guys did detail on it, right?
Yes.
Even did the trailer. And that was for cheaper than I could find it in town. So you guys do it all, man. There's nothing you guys don't do.
We try to do whatever we can and please the customer, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
I will tell you this, that your prices are probably more competitive than people think too. I mean, you have a competitive pricing structure set up here, right?
well, I just try to be competitive. You know, I know the kind of work that goes into this.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Yeah. No, it's beautiful. And so we're going to hook up a deal too. You know, I want to help you out. I'm not charging for this. And you want to say you'd help out some of the people that we go. If you come down and, you know, if you decide to come here, tell me you're with Be Tough, and he's going to hook you up with a special discount. And just for, you know, for the Be Tough crowd. So congratulations, man. You should be proud of being able to pull something like this off.
I'm proud of doing what I do. I like doing what I do.
Yeah,
I do.
Right.
I've done it for so long. And when Malibu and I parted ways, you know, it's like, what am I going to do?
Right.
I'm going to do what I've been doing for the last 30 years.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, there you go, man. Congratulations. All right. Very cool. Gabe, congratulations, man.
All right.
you.
Thank
This
you.
is Billy at Be Tough.
Okay.